I built a business agency with Lessie AI full tutorial. So, if you're wondering how you're going to want to go ahead and build a whole business agency, an agency where you manage all of your business workings, all of your integrations, and all of your contacts and leads in one place, Lessie AI is the one for you. And I'm going to be teaching you on how I went through with all of Lessie AI's proper AI technicalities and functionalities that help you gather these clients, that help you gather all of these leads and agencies for yourself. And obviously, it's going to scour your business incredibly. Okay. And when it comes to a business agency, the biggest thing is your customers, your relationship with them, your leads, your, different types of clientele. And Lessie obviously functions in all of those. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to come over to Lessie AI. Now, Lessie AI is a pretty incredible software that goes ahead and finds you leads according to your filters. Okay. So you can have leads founded across different social media platforms. That could be TikTok, that could be X, that could be Amazon, whatever you want. If they are on any type of platform and they have a public setting, you will find them through Lessie. Okay. And they can obviously help you in any way that your business may lead. And you're not only going to get their name, you're going to get their email, you're going to get what kind of content they provide, what kind of help they can provide to you for your business, etc. So for this, what we're going to need to do is we're going to come to Lessie AI and we're going to hit start for free. Now, once you hit start for free, what it does from here is it will open up the login section where you're going to want to go ahead and set yourself in with Lessie AI. So I'm going to hit continue with Google. You can choose to go ahead and continue with your email if that is what you want to go with. And once we're over here, you're obviously going to log in with your account. So once we log in with our account, what it does is it will take us to the onboarding and start asking us some questions according to Lessie. It's going to start asking us what we want, etc. So it says, welcome to Lessie, you're straight in. Now, the interface is going to look a lot like a chatbot. If you've used ChatGPT or Gemini, this is what you're going to come to. Now, before we go ahead and write in a prompt, we're going to go ahead and discuss all the things we have over here. So on the left-hand side, you can see we have new chat, process, emails, my list, etc. On the right-hand side, you can see the credits you have to search people. Then you can even upgrade your plan. And of course, they have 3 different plans on monthly and annually. So on the monthly, you have your basic $40, your pro $160, and your max $300. Then you have annually with the basic $34, the pro $135, and the max $254. All right. Now, these plans give us pretty incredible things from 1,000 credits a month to 50 emails per day, then 4,000 credits a month, 100 emails per day, and a lot more features that you can go ahead and check out. But we're here to talk about how you can set up your very own business agency. So let's say I run a business marketing firm that is all about digital marketing. Okay. So for digital marketing, obviously, I'm going to need clients that obviously provide you products, or I'm going to need leads that will obviously talk about those products and help me in digital marketing, right? So you can write, I run a digital marketing agency. I want people that will market products on their socials. And I also want people that provide a lot of products, a lot of new niche products for me to source. Okay. And you can also provide the details. The people I want should, let's say, have, you could give it a set certain number of followers, or, a set certain number of algorithms. And the people I want should have, let's say, more than normal engagement on socials. Okay, so let's say here's our prompt. I run a digital marketing agency. I want people that will market products on their socials, and I also want someone that provides a lot of new niche products for me to source. The people I want should have more than normal engagement on socials. All right. Now, you could also go ahead and provide it with any type of imagery or details for this product, but I'm simply going to hit find and let it go ahead and start thinking. Now, once it starts thinking, what's going to happen from here is it's going to say, I'd like to help you find the right people for your digital marketing agency. It sounds like you have two distinct needs: social media influencers, creators who can promote products on their platform with above average engagement rates, and product sourcing contacts, people who will supply trendy niche products to you for your market. Now, it's going to ask you your people amount. So if you want 10 people, you could go with that. 30 people, 50 people, it depends on you. So let's say I'm going to go for 10 people right now. Which social media platform should the influencers be active on? Okay, now this is really important. Now that could be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or all of the above. I'm going to go for all of the above for now. Then what kind of products are you looking for? Okay, I'm going to go with general multiple niches. And what follower ranges are you targeting? So let's go with mid-tier. Okay. Now, once we do that, we're going to hit submit. And once you hit submit, what Lessie is going to do from here is it's going to start thinking. Okay. And Lessie's going to go on and on with its product search. Okay. It's going to go ahead and start loading things in. It's going to start thinking. It's going to find and scour all of the products that are obviously in need of your prompt. It's going to go ahead through the whole social media interface and give you what you need. And once we get our list of clients, let me show you what it's going to look like. Now, once all of that is done, as you can see, it is going to go ahead and give you this whole list. Okay, it's going to tell you that great choices. Let me break down what I'm going to search for you. And as you can see, the whole influencer database is going to appear to you over here. Okay, and in this influencer database, you're going to find their names. You're going to find the links to their, respective accounts. That could be their TikTok. That could be their any basic type of section where they provide all of their content, their demographics, what kind of people they target, their content tags. And then you can also get their emails to contact them if you want to. You can get their follower counts, etc. And what you can do is you can actually add them from this section. Okay. And right here in emails, basically the best part about this to run the whole business agency in one place is that you can write them emails directly from Lessie AI, and you can write them automated emails. So add all of these people. If I go back over to the process, you're going to add all of these people that obviously are going to go according to your demographic. So we're going to come here, and it's going to allow us to save them to your list. And as many people as you save to your list, you can go over to your list and start sending them emails. Those could be marketing emails, clientele emails, leads emails, etc. So once all of that is done, you pretty much have a full-fledged stronghold. Okay. And, that basically goes ahead and creates a proper work ethic for you to find contacts, leads, and clientele. And of course, all of these people are going to match exactly your needs that you are going to need. Okay. It says fully matched, and you can go ahead and work with them. And the best part of Lessie is that it also gives you partially matched people. That's pretty incredible as well. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.